what's up? My name is Lena. So today I'm going to be doing something really exciting and something I haven't done before. I am going to be doing a thrift flip. Basically, I went thrifting the other day and I didn't really find anything that catched my attention. But I wanted some trousers and I've been wanting like some nice pair of pants for a while, and I found these. I found this picture on Pinterest, and it's like the pants are pretty similar to this, but they like fit way nicer. So I was like, maybe I can do that. Like, take them in a bit and see if I can transform them. I'm kind of nervous to do this because I've never done this before, like tuck in pants. So I'm kind of scared. This is, and originally it is a size 9, 10, whatever. It's in between. So I'm gonna be taking these pants in a lot. I'm just gonna wing it, see what we do, see how this goes. The reason I'm not wearing any makeup and I don't have like cute setup right now is because I'm just doing this vlog style. I just came back from the gym like 2 hours ago, but I still look like this. I'm gonna show you guys how these look on me originally, how they look on me right now, and yeah, hopefully this is a successful thrift flip. They are pretty big on me, obviously, but I bought these with the intention to you know, make them fit my size. And they're also really high-waisted. So this is how they look. So I'm going to need to take them in about, I think I'm gonna take them in about an inch from the top. They have a zipper. If you guys can see that, they have a zipper, so I can't take them from the back. But now that you guys have seen how big they are, I'm going to flip them inside out and start putting my needles in so I can know how much, where I'm going to be sewing. And like that. Okay. So top is in. Okay. I'm gonna take them off and I'm gonna head to the sewing machine. Exciting, scary. So carefully take them off because I have needles and they hurt. I don't really know if I want the bottom of the pants to be flared out or if I want to make them all slim. I think they look cute flared out because I feel like if it's just skinny jeans, like a skinny pant, then it's gonna look a little conventional, you know, and I want it to kind of like my style. So I'm gonna head to the sewing machine. I'm gonna be using my serger today. I feel like sergers are best for if you're making clothes, just because they're just more secure and you don't have to worry about it undoing and stuff. I feel like, I don't know, but if you have a sewing machine, I'm sure it's gonna work too. Just probably use a zigzag stitch. Yeah, let's go there. Shit. You can see this is very crooked. So if you guys see, this fabric, like the upper part was a little bit too thick for my machine, and thus it like moved my fabric. So Yeah, I'm gonna fix that at the end though. I'm gonna do the other side and let's see how it fits. No. Okay, I'm just gonna try to hold it as tight as I can so I don't get that same thing, the same look, you know. We're not going for that. Oh shit, still did it. I bought this serger pre-owned, so I haven't bought like any thread of my own for it. I just been using what the guy gave me, and that's why I have red and green stitching on it, because I'm just gonna use that up since I'm not really like selling anything like yet, like seriously. So just from looking at these pants right now, from looking, oh my god, my dog's balls. Okay, this side looks pretty good. Okay, so this green side, I feel like it's a little bit wider. These, I don't know, we'll see how it fits, but look at the waist. You can see like that it got smaller, so it looks good. All right, so now I'm going to try these on. I'm kind of nervous. Let's see how they fit. Right, it's very so this is how the pants look now. I don't like how high-waisted they are, honestly. I don't really like that, but they look really cute. Very like 90s inspired, which is totally my style, that 90s vibe. You can see at the bottom, they aren't skinny, like they still have that little flare. This side honestly looks a little bit more flared out than that one, but I like this. I think I did a pretty good job. This is my first time taking in pants. I'm going to do them to my Levi's, some old Levi's that I have. So yeah, I'm really excited. Yes. And I'm gonna show you guys the outfit that I put together with these pants. So yeah, that is it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's really an easy transformation to like alter your pants and stuff. I didn't really get a good before shot of the pants. I hope you guys could understand how much of the difference it was. They were originally a size 9/10 and I am a size 2, so it was a really big difference. I'm pretty happy with how the pants turned out. I just tried them on and I did that little clip of me and how I'm styling them, I guess, outside, and it is so hot. It's probably like 100 degrees, if not, it feels like it, but it is just so hot here in California, and yeah, it sucks. So yeah, but I'm really excited to wear these pants for during the fall time, because fall is my favorite season, and I love like dressing up for the fall and everything, so it's definitely more my type of weather and all that stuff. I'm not really tripping on this little situation, which I talked about briefly. I mean, since I'm gonna be the only one wearing them, I don't really care. And also, I think like a really cool outfit with these type of pants would be like a cool vintage like Harley Davidson t-shirt and just tying it up and with a cute little like beret or something. Like, I think that would be so cute. So yeah, I am going to have a fall lookbook, so yeah, keep your eye out for that. I have a lot of like cute fall outfits in mind, so yeah, I'm thinking about doing this more because I would always find like good pairs of pants or whatever, but they're never my size. So I'm thinking about just going thrifting and just finding a bunch of pants and like just making videos. If you guys like this, let me know. And if you guys want to see more transformations, I am down to do that. I have a bunch of things that I want to show you guys. I've just been so busy and putting YouTube on the back end. Anyways, I want to start making more videos again, but it's just so hard. It's not so hard. I mean, I have the time. It's just like I kind of don't have the time, like, because I want to put like 100% of my time into like one thing, but I need to, you know, work on my time management, do like all the things that I want to do. So, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like if you guys do, because it helps a lot with the algorithm and everything. So I will see you guys in my next video. Comment down below what videos you guys would like to see from me. And yeah, follow me on Instagram at LENAYGALLO right there, and subscribe. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have an awesome day, night, whatever, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.